So hey guys, and welcome to Technoko! I know you guys probably saw by the new intro that today we're looking at something retro. We're going back to the NES. And this is the NES Cleaning Kit. What does it do? Well, it basically cleans your NES. So if your cartridges are dirty or have corrosion on them, or if the connector inside the NES is dirty, it will help with that. So let's take a look at how this works by heading over to our actual NES. Alright, and now we're here at our NES, just a regular standard NES from the time period of around the 80s. And I forgot the thing. Here it is, it was on the magical desk. So what we have here is an NES cleaning kit. It says it'll clean contacts and connections in seconds, assuring peak performance. So let's open it up and we get a bunch of stuff. I'm not good at unboxing. Oh, there goes something important. And there goes another something important. Nothing else in there. Don't know why it won't focus. There. So it looks like here we have a manual, and it is not in good shape. This is the official seal of assurance that Nintendo has reviewed this product and that it is meant for standards. Good to know, Nintendo. Good to know. Warranty maintenance. Ah, here we go. I'll show you guys when it won't even stay open. Focus. Camera. There we go. So cleaning game packs. Game packs should be cleaned at least once a month or whenever they become dirty. Yeah, that's never ever happened. Remove the cleaning wand from the plastic bag. With your finger, apply a small amount of water to the blue end of the cleaner until it is slightly damp. Rub both sides of the pack edge connector by pressing against it gently with the blue end of the cleaner. Move the cleaner side to clean all the edge connector pins. So basically it's just a sponge. And then there's something called the cleaning card, which again we need to use our finger to apply a small amount of water. And you just push it in a bunch of times. Reassemble the cleaning cartridge as you would, with the damp edge of the card facing out. Insert the cleaner into the control deck as you would a game pack. Push the cleaner into the down position and move the cleaner in and out 5 to 10 times. Oh, so I was definitely doing it wrong. And this is just basically saying for if it becomes stuck in the down position. So, today, because yesterday it failed to power up, we're going to clean an NES cartridge. And it looks like this one has already been used slightly. So we'll use this one. It's just, it feels kind of like stringy and like plasticky. What's also in this bag? I think this is the magic wand that it was talking about. And yep, feels exactly like a sponge. Nothing else to it, except for it has a gray side and a white side. And we also get another one of these. And we get a refill of each. So I'm going to start with that. So as you guys can see, I'm just getting this wet a little bit in the sink. Should probably be good. Just a little bit damp. Alright, and then back to the NES. And here we are back at the NES with our supplies. We have a wet one of these. Wait. What the actual... Oh. A wet one of these. It's actually very damp, so I don't get the table all messed up. And then I have the cleaning pads for the cartridges that are also very damp. So back to our very outdated and very destroyed instruction manual. Let's start with cleaning the card first. Actually, let's start with cleaning the packets. That looks like it might be easier. So we just need to pick a game, which I have a game right here, RC Pro AM, an original one. So let's just set that right there. And then it says that we need to basically scrub it back and forth. Manual. We need to rub both sides of the game pack connector and press it against the blue side. Where's the blue side? Maybe at one point that was blue. I don't think it's blue anymore. It looks gray to me. But yeah, let's clean this out. Oh, yuck. Look at all that corrosion. Holy cow. Okay, the camera's not really doing it the greatest, but yeah, this is dirty. No wonder it won't work. But if I do this and clean both sides out, it'll pop right open now. I mean, it'll start right up as it's intended to be. And whoa, even the other side was filthy. Alright, so we cleaned it with the quote-unquote blue side. With the white end, oh, dry. Oh. White end wasn't supposed to be wet. Oops. It should probably be the same though. It feels kind of like a towel in a way. And yeah, let's take it off. All this stuff. There's still more corrosion on it. Let me dry it off some with a towel. Okay, it's actually my shirt, but dry it off. And this feels kind of just like paper, actually. How it like looks and feels. And I think we got our game all cleaned out. If we look at the pins, they actually look be nice and shiny and bare. You guys can probably barely see that, but from here it looks all good actually. So I think I did it right. So next we gotta deal with this thing. But it's also slightly damp. So back to our destroyed instruction manual, our NES cleaning kit. Both sides or one of the long edges of the card. Reassemble the cleaning cartridge with the damp edge facing out. So that's the dry edge, that's the damp edge, so we want the damp edge facing outwards. And so we're just gonna stick this on. That's the damp side, that's the dry, oh, that's the damp side. That's the damp side, that's the dry side. Okay. So back to our manual again. Oh, I dropped it. Dry side, damp side. So it looks like we just assemble it like that. And we snap it back together. This thing wants to cooperate. There we go. We got all snapped in. And now it says insert cleaner into control deck. Okay. Alright, we inserted it. Insert the cleaner into the control deck as you would a game pack. Push the cleaner into the down position. Okay, so we're going to push it into the down position and move the cleaner in and out 5 to 10 times. So I think that's how we're supposed to do it. The cleaner will move backward and forwards. It does say that we need to let it dry for at least an hour though before plugging it back in. So I think... Whoa! Whoa! Let's disassemble that and look at that close up. And you can see every single pin pretty much was dirty in some way. You can see the little lines on there. And on the back it's just a totally different story. So I think that's it. I think our NES is clean and it should play games properly. So in about an hour, I'm going to fire that up and let you guys know how it does. I think. I might make a follow-up video because I just wanted to do a video on the NES in general. So I'll just do it with that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Peace.